In this quick video, I'll show you how to transfer photos from Android to PC wirelessly. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. Firstly, we need to install one software in our mobile, which is Google Drive. You can get it from Play Store or App Store in iOS. Then open your software in your mobile. Then click on this new icon. But before that, sign in here with your Google account and use the Google account which is available in your PC as well. I'll choose this one and now close it. After that, click on new, which is in bottom, and then you can either upload a folder or you can upload a single file here. I'll click on folder. After that, name your folder. I'll name it photos. Then click on create. Now go to your folder, click on new again, and now this time we need to click on upload and select the photo you want to upload. I want to upload this photo for the sake of this video. Now select it. If you want to upload multiple photos, then you can choose that also. I just want to upload these two photos. After that, click on open. Now it will start preparing your photos and it will be uploaded in a moment. And as you can see, my both photos are uploaded. If you have multiple photos, then it will take that much time according to your file size. Now we want to download it in our PC. For that, open any browser in your computer. I'll choose Google Chrome for the sake of this video. Now search on your browser drive.google.com. Once you are on this website, sign in here with the same Google account which you used in your mobile. As you can see, this was the account in my mobile as well. I'll use it and now go to folders from here. Then as you can see, I just need to open my photos folder here. Then after that, we can download these photos from here. Just click on these three dots and then you will get option for downloads, and then it will start downloading your image in your computer. If you want to download all photos from your folder, then just click on your folder and now click on download, and now it will download your whole folder in your computer. As you can see, this was the folder. If I open it, I just need to go to photos, and these are the two photos I downloaded in my computer. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.